Hello mga Beshi! Good afternoon and welcome back again to my channel, Beshi Farm TV. Today, we are taking you to a camping trip in one of the best campsites here in Manitoba. It's the Manipogo Provincial Park. It's 55 kilometers north of St. Rose du Lac on Highway 276, hidden on shores of Lake Manitoba, all-around recreation park with boating facilities, fishing and swimming. So sit back, relax, and enjoy mga Beshi. The Legend of Manipogo. The park is named after a mythical sea serpent that is said to dwell in the deeper waters of Lake Manitoba, with sightings of the creature dating back to the 1800s. Exploring the lake and learning about the origins of this mythical sea creature is fascinating and adds to the mystery and overall experience of camping at Manipogo Provincial Park. After departing Winnipeg in the evening, where the city skies may have been dark and heavy, the moment we reached Highway 6, the sky cleared up and became sunny. This journey clocked in at approximately 3 hours and 20 minutes from our starting point in Winnipeg. We followed Highway 6, turned left onto Highway 68, cruised past Manitoba Narrows, and continued until we arrived at St. Rose du Lac. From there, we headed north on Highway 276 for about half an hour until we finally reached our campsite at Manipogo Provincial Park.
friends to work with in Dolphin. Toto, that's Toto. That's Goku. That's our new friend Tyson. Ella?
Yes.
Yeah, I nailed it. And Tasha. And that's Ariel. Hi, Area. Sorry, Area. That's my son and my wife. Our best friend, Mariala. And none other than Shauna, our new guest. And everyone's enjoying food right now. Yes, everyone's enjoying food right now.
Joke lang mga beshi! Oh, yung mga hindi pa po namin subscribers dyan, mag-subscribe na po kayo! Thank you in advance!
I'll just leave your sweater on the bike stand.